Hi, my name is Stratos. In this video we're going to test caching plugins in 4 different websites. I have here an Astra theme, I have here a Divi theme, here is a Generate Press theme, and here is an Ocean WP theme. I wanted to test the caching plugins that I know of, and I wanted to make an Excel sheet showing you the results. I did all of those things, but I want to point it out that there is no winner actually in the caching plugins, because maybe you have a setup, a theme, and some plugins, and WP Rocket, for example, is the best for you, but maybe you have another theme or the same theme with different plugins, so another setup, and Breezy Cache plugin is the best plugin for you. Now, of course, there is a point to make such a video, so there are some plugins that went great to all of those themes, but there is no actual winner. So if there is a plugin that is best for this website, it doesn't mean that it's the best for that website, but it will still be a very good caching option. So I tested some free caching plugins and of course some premium. Here, let's go here, and the way I did the test, it was I tested the website without any plugin enabled, and no plugin either installed it. So I wanted to test the request. Then I installed all the plugins without activating and did the test again and see if the requests were actually higher, but of course they weren't. And then I test all of those. So for the free versions we have Autoptimized, Swift Performance Lite, Breeze, W3 Total Cache, SG Optimizer, WP Fastest Cache, Hummingbird, Cache Enabler, Comet Cache, Lightspeed Cache, WP Super Cache. For the premium versions we have NitroPack, Swift Performance, WP Rocket, WP Fastest Cache Premium, and Hummingbird Pro. Now, there is a plugin that has a pro version and I forgot about it. It was the Comet Cache, I think. Let me check my papers. Yeah, the Comet Cache had a premium, but I didn't know about it until I enabled and started doing the test, and it was too late to break it and go ahead and buy it. So this will be the test. Of course, you can now see the results, but we're going to talk about it in a little bit. How I did the test. This is the Astra website theme, and I used the Astra starter site and imported a ready template. I didn't build it, so it's already ready for the Astra guys, and this is installed in my web hosting account in the company. Sorry, it's a block here. In the HostGator. Okay, my mind stuck for a little bit. This is the HostGator account. Okay, for the Divi, Generate Press, and Ocean WP, as you can see here, the URL is different from this one, designweb.gr, and this is bluemind.dr. This is the SiteGround account that I have. Okay, so the other 3 plugins, the other 3 themes, installations are in the SiteGround account. The reason why I switched was because the HostGator is not a very good company, so I had a little bit different for the time that it took to answer the server. Maybe it was 0.5 seconds, maybe it was 3 seconds. Okay, so that would vary the results, so I did everything else in my SiteGround account. Of course, I am paying most attention in the requests and not as much as the speed, because the speed will vary every time you do the test. So this is how I then rearrange those. Okay, there were in alphabetical order. Sorry for any mistakes that I do. English is not my first language, so they were in alphabetical order and I rearranged them based in the request. So let's go and see the results, I think. Okay, so there is a video that I recorded for the Astra theme and every result that I took. So it's an hour and 40 minutes video that I am using the Astra theme and every plugin that I have in the casting plugin to show you that there is nothing that I changed. All of those are honest results. I'm not promoting anything. I don't want to push you into anything. I'm just testing the casting plugins for me and hopefully to help some of you make a judgment here. So if you want to see the video, I will put it in the description below. Do not punish yourself. It's a boring video. It's 1 hour and 40 minutes. It's not that you want to see it unless you want to sleep. Okay, if you are going to sleep at night and you can't sleep, go ahead and put the video and I'm sure you will be asleep in about 10 or 20 minutes. It's a very boring video. I didn't have anything to say in the video, just making the results. I talk about a little, I joke a little. Don't see it, please, don't see it. I will put it in the description below. So let's go to our results. So this is the no-cast results. I'm not testing the themes between each other. Okay, I'm not testing how good is the Astra theme versus the Divi theme versus the Generate, Press and Ocean. I'm just testing how good the casting plugins can do it in those themes. Let's go in Astra theme. We have 44 requests in this demo site, and as you can see, the average time is 4.54 seconds. Total page time is 746. Now the best free plugin for the Astra theme was Autoptimize, as you can see here, based in the request. It was only 14 requests. And let me check my papers, of course, again. Okay, here. And after that, for the free versions, of course, the best was Shift Performance Lite, then Breeze, and then we have the WP3 Total Cache. Now, this is not a plugin that I will recommend because there was a time that WP3 was good, but then it started breaking websites. And not that you install the WP3 and immediately broke your site, where there were cases that did that, but it could work completely good. It could work okay, and after 6 months, it will break your website, and you wouldn't have any backup to use. Okay, because for 6 months it was working correctly. Now, I don't say that today is not a good plugin, but it has their moments, and some people are not satisfied with it. I tested, it's a good plugin, it gave me good results, but I would not install in my website. Okay, I will go for Shift Performance or Breeze for the free solutions. I wouldn't even go to SG Optimizer because I didn't like the request. 31 requests is too many, and of course this is in the HostGator account, but you will see that it's not the first, even if you are in the SiteGround. Okay, then we have WP Fastest Cache, and everything else is not so good. And for the premium version, we have the Nitro Pack, which is a lot of, I think it's expensive for what it does, but it's a very good plugin. As you can see, 10 requests only, and the total page size is 434, but it's also a CDN plugin. It's not only a caching plugin. Okay, it's something different. I know that I have put here a no, that it doesn't support to have an external CDN. Okay, this is an option if you have a field that you can add for a CDN option. Shift Performance was very good for the Astra theme, and WP Rocket was also good. So let's go here at Divi. As you can see, 42 requests here for our demo website. And the best one here was Shift Performance Lite and then Breezy. As I said before, I would use all those. I would definitely use Shift Performance or Breeze for free solutions to cache a website. Okay, then we have Autoptimize, then we have WP3, and everything else is nearly as close to 42. Okay, for the premium versions we have NitroPack first with 14 requests and then 18. All of the results I will put in the description below. I will put in a style sheet that you can download and see for yourself. And let's go to generate price. Here we have 29 requests and Swift Performance was the best, then Optimize and Breeze were both second. Autoptimize in some cases can be used with another caching option. It's not there is a restrict caching plugin. It can minify JS, I think, minify CSS, minify HTML, but it's not that it's a restrict caching plugin. Okay, so maybe you can use two of those, Autoptimize and Swift Performance. Do not use two caching plugins like Swift Performance and Breeze in the same website. Okay, so for the premium version we have NitroPack and Swift Performance that are the best, and WP Rocket is way down here. And let's go for the Ocean WP, which have 64 requests and a total page size for 6 megabytes. This is because the Ocean WP has a video embedded in the front page. If I go here and I scroll down, this is the video, and it's hosted in the same hosting. It's not a YouTube video, so that's why it took almost a year to load. Okay, let's go and see the best results. We have Swift Performance Lite and Breeze here, that they are the best of the caching plugins, and then Autoptimize. W3 is fourth solution, and it's fourth for I think every theme, and then we have everything else. And here, as you can see, the Swift Performance, don't know, that's correct. No, this is the NitroPack was the best one. Okay, 23 were the performance of the Swift Performance. Sorry, 23 were the request of the Swift Performance plugin. But if you see NitroPack with 25 requests, this is the kilobyte of the website. So from 6 megabytes, 6.8 with the Swift Performance, the total page size went to 565 kilobytes. Of course, it's a CDN plugin. Also, it's not a restrict caching plugin, but it went really good. And we have the third option, which is WP Rocket. So let's go. Okay, first I would just want to point out that before you do any caching, please back up your website. Okay, any of those can break your website. You can do any changings to that, minify CSS, caching, minify JS, and it can break your website. Be sure to test it out from a mobile version, and be sure to test it out when you are not logged in. Okay, in most case scenario, all those caching plugins were not going to cache the login users. Okay, and of course, do not use two plugins, as I said before, installed in your website at the same time. So let's go here and let's go and see the pricing for the premium versions. So we have the NitroPack here. NitroPack is, I think, pretty new, and let's go to the pricing, and we'll see that we have for a year per year. Okay, but build yearly, but this is the month price. So that it means that you are not going to deposit them $19, but 19 and multiply by 12 months. Okay, it's about $120, 111. So you have 2,000 page optimization per month. Now, as I did the result, I saw that I visit the website about 15 times, and I used about 1%. So keep in mind that if you use the free plugin, where they have a free plugin, they have a free plan. If it's a website that it can be visited, I don't know, about 50 times a day, 100 times a day, maybe you're okay with the free option. Okay, if you have something more than that, then you must buy one of those packages. It's a little expensive, but it's a very good plugin. Okay, so let's go the next one. This is the Hummingbird Pro. It's a member of the WPM UDEV website, and the price is $49 every month. And with that price, you get all the plugins that they do have. They have really good plugins like Smash and like SEO plugins and other, but I will not use any of those. I think there are some plugins. It's a little bit too pricey for me to use. Now, if you have a multi website, then this is the place that you want to go. Most of those plugins can work with a multi-site. Sorry. So let's go to the next one. This is the Shift Performance. This is $39.40 for one website. Okay, it's a very good plugin. $99 for 4 sites and $200 for unlimited website per year. Okay, and they offer 14 days money back guarantee. The next one is WP Rocket, a very popular plugin, and it's a little bit more pricey than the Shift Performance. $49 for 1 year, $99 for 3 sites instead of 4 sites with the Shift Performance, and $250 a year for unlimited websites. Okay, it's a very good plugin. And then we have the WP Fastest Cast, which I loaded from here because it doesn't show me the pricing. It will show the price in the WordPress repository. So $40 as you can see here to buy it, and I don't know if it's for one website or unlimited. I think it's for one website and for 1 year. So this was all what I wanted to show you about this version. So if you want to use a free plugin, I would recommend Shift Performance and Breeze, which are great plugins. And if you want to buy a premium, I will recommend WP Rocket and Nitro Pack. Shift Performance and WP Rocket. Nitro Pack, it's a little bit expensive, but if you can afford it, I think it's the best solution. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. If you want to see the video for the Astra theme, I have it in the link description below. I didn't make for the other themes because it was not worth the time for you to watch. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and I see you all in the next video. Bye guys.